Okay, we're back in a 2020 container garden. We're right outside Pittsburgh, PA. Today is April 21st. It was an uneventful day yesterday, so I didn't do an update, but we'll bring you out. Looks like I'm going back to work in the beginning of May, so I got to get this hardening off done quicker than I thought. So you'll see update on these cucumbers. I think they were smaller in the last video. These things are dying to get out of that cup. It's just too cold yet. My star is the Brussels sprout plant, getting real big, thick, heavy leaves. I've never grown Brussels sprouts. The plants always died because it got too hot, so I don't know what to look for when they start coming, but hopefully soon. Been harvesting this lettuce for salads. Onion, I tried to kill that thing at one point and just won't die, so I let it go. Some lima beans, strawberry plants coming along, and the soil test plants. Every single seed that I've planted in each cup, except for one in the Kellogg, and two in the. All right, so there's another one. Okay, so one seed in the Miracle Grow didn't come up. Two seeds in the Kellogg didn't come up, but that's that. Go check on the potato plants. I don't remember them putting them that close together, but oh well, we'll see. So here's all the cold weather stuff that I've been hardening off. It's a real windy day here. These things, other than the lettuce here, these things I don't have marked. I think that's another Brussels sprout plant because I've been trying to do these damn Brussels sprouts all last year, so we'll see. That might be another onion. I did have broccoli over there. So these are staying out for 3 hours, and we'll go check on the grow light station. All right, so grow light station upstairs. You see way too many plants, getting way too big. These ones up here are dying to go outside. Look how high this one's getting. So the race is on to get these plants outside. I think when I took the last video, this shelf right here has probably grown an inch. So they're itching. And then the last set of seedlings I have down here, it looks like there's some that are all ready to come out. All of these are peppers. And we're gonna not know what a lot of these peppers are until they start producing, because I mentioned in another video, I put tags on all the peppers that I was planting, and then I started moving them around to get them at better places underneath the light. Didn't move the tags, so now it's like a crapshoot. Won't know what they are until we get something from them. So that's where we're at now. We're going to be fertilizing soon. So I'll make a little video with the fertilizing, show you how I do it. Maybe you have a better way and you can show me.